Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the introduction to PHP functions. This is review. Great job. Let's review what we've covered in this lesson. We can package a set of instructions within a named function to reuse whenever we'd like. When we invoke a function, the computer will execute the function body specified by the code block following the parameter list. Functions can return a value by using the return keyword. Otherwise, they return null, which means no value. We can store the return value of a function in a variable or use it any other way we'd use a value. We can define functions with parameters, which are variables we can refer to throughout our function's body. When invoking functions, the values that we give them are called arguments. Functions can have multiple parameters. The order in which the arguments are passed in decides which parameters they correspond to. You can make an argument optional by providing its corresponding parameter with a default value. If you prepend a parameter with the reference sign, that argument will be passed by reference. Variables within functions have local scope and cannot be accessed from outside the function. Use the global keyword to use variables from the global scope within a function. Let's zoom out here. So here we have a diagram of what we've been learning in the previous lessons. So we have the function keyword, we have the function name right after. This is function print first return second, has the parameters first and second. It will echo first whatever's passed in, and it will return second whatever's passed into second here. So here return value is assigned print first return second with apple and fruit passed in. So we would first echo apple and then we would return fruit. Here we echo print first return second with broccoli passed in and then vegetables. So we would echo broccoli first and then return vegetables. If that's not making sense yet, make sure to look at our previous lessons, as much of this material will come up more in the future. Once you feel comfortable, I'll see you in the next lesson.